Hello guys, we will have our dinner tonight and we have this vegetables and actually my table is uneven so it goes like that. It moves. But then still we will have our dinner and then we have our vegetables which is composed of ferns, edible ferns, some okra, some what do you call this? Eggplant and all other ingredients, and of course we have rice, and then we have this fish sauce with chili and some citrus, some lemon I think, or and calamansi, and as usual it's very tasty. And we also have this soy sauce, I think it has some vinegar and chili, and it has calamansi or citrus in it, and we will have to squeeze the juice out, and it's now okay. Actually we are still waiting for another menu which we have ordered, which is tinolang manok, or it is a soup, fish soup with of course with fish, with fresh fish or tuna fish itself. Okay, then we can start eating because the tuna fish will be served later in a while. And okay, we will have this okra and ferns. We'll have to dip it in the soy sauce. Maybe not in the soy sauce, no, but let's get something like this. Okay, the fish sauce, and then it's nice. I love the vegetables. Eggplant. Then we'll get the fish sauce and we'll put it. Thank you. So actually our tuna fish soup. Come, and this is it. See, it's very hot, and then we will get some bowl, and then we'll put it in the bowl and we'll enjoy. No? I don't know if we can finish this. I hope that we can. I like this. You know, when you're cooking fish fish soup, it's like the ingredients are only half cooked, like the the tomatoes with you have tomatoes, the tuna itself, the tomatoes, and the the green onions, green onion leaves. So it's like only half cooked, and then some cabbages. This is the cabbage. I like the soup. Let's taste the tuna itself. It's not that fresh, but the soup itself is nice. The tuna, the fish itself is, I don't know if it's fresh or if it's not that fresh, but the vegetables are fresh. They're really good. The tuna fish is also quite okay. And if you eat tuna fish, you eat it with soy sauce. So the tuna fish soup, eat it with soy sauce, okay? And we'll eat more fish sauce. See? I actually don't know if I can finish this. This part of the tuna fish is nicer. See? This has a better taste than the white. The taste is more concentrated, it's more fishy. So you have to eat it with sauce. Soy sauce with some vinegar. the tuna fish sauce also has some ginger on it. It's good for the boys, but if too strong for you, then you can decide not to eat it also. We'll eat some more vegetables. Ferns. Fish sauce. Put fish sauce in it. And eat it. Enjoy. Some more. I don't know, you can finish all of this fish soup because it's a big bowl like this. If I cannot finish it, then I will just take the rest of it out. We'll have more. We'll have more. The fish is really something. Some more, one more fish. More soup. And then the secret is you have to eat it with soy sauce so that you will not feel full. You still want to eat more. this later. I will heat it and eat it later. Perhaps tomorrow. Okay. Bye.